I've already been sitting here about a minute or two. It's kind of stuff that happens. This car just jumps in front of me. Jimmy's. There's nobody going through there. All of a sudden, this guy right here is high beaming me with his lights behind me. Pulled in out of nowhere. They literally just handed them just a coffee, man. There's gotta be more than that for that long. Come on now. Just a coffee, bro. Just a coffee, bro. Wow. Look at this. These are the ones,
Ours
man.
Is already ready.
This right here is literally called harassment. All kinds of stuff. What's up?
Is it debit?
Yep.
Ignorant bitch.
Just see me recording. What made you assume it was cash? Yeah. Look at high beaming. Crazy.
Do you have the rewards?
No.
No?
Yo, you should tell these people.